Hi everybody, my name is Juanita Saunders and I'm from Virginia Beach, and I'm going to sing a little bit of a song that I got from Miss Lisa Knowles and the Brown Singers called Work on Me. It is one of my favorite songs, and let me know if you like it. Anybody here ever known you've done wrong? You sat on your bed and you cried all night long, tossed and turned from life's ups and downs. Do you look for your friends and they couldn't be found? So you told Jesus, work on me. Hey, hey, oh, work on me. I want to ask you one more thing, y'all. Anybody here? I don't think you heard me. Come on and say it again. Anybody here ever got down on your knees, Lord? Cry to the Lord, have a little mercy on me. Well, I'm your child, Lord, and I'll be your care. And I know you'll never put more on me than I can bear. Please work on me. Hey, hey, oh, work on me. Might be early in the morning. Work on me, Jesus. Maybe late in the midnight hour. Work on me, Lord. I said, hey, work on me. Oh, yeah, work on me. Why don't you stay right there? Work on me. Is it alright? Is it alright? Yeah. Work on me. You see, my Bible tells me in Psalms 51:10, work on me. Created in me a clean heart, dear Lord. Work on me. And if you find anything in me, work on me. Take it out right now, take it out and strengthen me, Lord. Work on me. I told the Lord, work on these old hands of mine, dear Lord. I told the Lord, I want to be able to do your will, Lord, me. I told the Lord, work on these old feet of mine, work on me. I want to be able to climb this so rugged hill, work on me. You see, I found out, well, if you a liar, he'll work on you, cheater. He'll work on you too. If you a fornicator, he'll work on you. Backstabber, yeah, he'll work on you too. If you a liar, he will work on you. I know the Lord will work on you. He'll work on you too. He'll work on you. He'll work on you.